Let's start then. And today we will talk about how you can create your own agent without dealing with some technical difficulties. So first of all, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Batuhan, and I'm bubbling since 2019. And I'm a non-tech person, as most of you. In 2019, I joined a Turkish company called Kodsuz, and we began work with Bubble. And in this period, I created some templates to learn how building some apps in Bubble. And in 2022, we achieved a no-code exit with these templates and plugins as a company. And last year, we founded Aicado. And currently, I'm working the product manager of Aicado and leading the way on the product. So what is Aicado? We can say that Aicado is a visual application app for everyone, but in this session, bubblers. And Aicado is built by Bubble, by the way. Our expertise is in Bubble, and we decided to bring Aicado in life with Bubble. Actually, the other no-code tools is not allowed to give us the capability of Bubble has. So Bubble is the right choice to bring some production level applications to life. So what is Aicado? Aicado is a no-code tool for integrating AI tools into your own websites, your own apps. Aicado's story has begun and lies in the no-code developments. We see the AI revolution when the ChatGPT comes viral, and we want to do some improvements about it. We want to develop some tools, and we just saw that it's a very hard concept to understand as a no-code developer. You need to deal with some APIs. You need to create an interface. You need to check all requests. You need to deal with the privacy. You need to deal with the streaming and much more. And for this kind of struggling, we decided to bring Aicado live to make no-coders life easier. That's why we built Aicado. You can think Aicado is a no-code hub, a no-code AI integration hub, and it brings you some AI tools with their interfaces. It works like that. But today we are not talking about Aicado. We want to talk about super agents. And in the super agent, you all know what is AI agent concept, right? There exist some tools, but these tools is not the gives us we want exactly, because they lies on the technical background, and you still need to know some APIs. You still need to know to make nodes correctly in like the make or NA10, like the old tools. So we decided to bring our super agent is live and make this super easy for people who want to use but has no technical background. And we created a super agent, and it has interesting tools inside, from code analysis to image creation, for web scraping to web browsing. The all tools you need, we create that. Also, you will be able to create your own custom tool. We'll get into it in the next minutes. So how it works? It's very easy to understand this concept. You need to visit Aicado, then you need to create your own super agent. Then you need to embed this super agent into your own Bubble app in a HTML element, and it's all works. There is no other tricks or something else. We'll talk about the most powerful features. So to me, the most powerful features of our super agent, it has the own chat history. How can I say that? In the other tools, in the other chat tools, they won't support chat history. But the super agent, you can train your own agent, and with the interface of that, you can embed it in your Bubble app with the history feature, and you can match your own users with that history, and they can access their own history, their own private history with that interface. So how brings us actually? We are embedding a super agent into and Bubble page. Then we are matching the user with our user ID. Then they will be able to access their own super agent. And I'll show you the next. How can I say that? The next example. Let me show the quick demo. Any question right now? If you have any question, I can answer it. As a demo, I want to talk about our agency website, because it's a ready Bubble app, so we can discuss about it. So in our agency website, it has own projects. Like here, we have a showcase page. For example, I need an agent who welcomes the user and makes user understand the project and talk with my agency about that project, and I want to take an email about it. So how I can achieve that? First, I need to create an Aicado account. I created one, so I'm skipping that process. For creating a Aicado account, you don't need anything else. You just only need to connect your Google account with the Aicado. Then our dashboard welcomes you. So after that, I need to create an AI tool. In our case today, I need to create a super agent. Let's name it. Okay. Okay, after you create your own agent, this kind of editor welcomes you, and you can change the view of agent from here. Let's say Kodsuz project helper, and I can change the avatar. And here, for example, then I can change the background color according my brand colors. Then I can change my fonts. Right now we are allowing to create some Google fonts only, actually. Then I can make this like that, and I can change button, etc. Then we need. I'm stepping features part. So we support some features to support your customer's experience. So in our case, I might need to display copy messages. This button allows you to copy your customer to copy LLM's message in here. And I can create a chat history, but in our case right now, it's not necessary. We have some other features too. Also, we have enabled the webhooks feature. And with using this one, you can store this conversation here into your own Bubble app database with creating an API webhook in here. Also, Super Agent allows you to your users file upload and image upload in here, like that. Right now, my users will be able to upload a file, an image, and they can talk about it. but right now it's not necessary in our case. If you need one, you can open it. The important part of this is coding, the knowledge part. In some cases, in like now, I might need code interpreter. I'm not just stepping in here. There's some complex terms, but as a basic one, if you need a specific operation after you trained your agent, you need to open code interpreter. For example, I have a data in my for my app, and it contains the users in my app. I need to process that data, and I need to create a graph about that data. Then I need to open code interpreter. If I need to only understand the file which in what rows it has, then I need to open file search. So in that case, I don't need to add a trained data, because I need to give that data in custom way, for dynamic way. I will get into here. And our strongest feature is tools. In the tools section, we created a bunch of tools, and it's all available right now. Also, we have a beta feature, and you can add your own custom tool with using OpenAPI schema. I won't interfere in this session right now, but as a concept, you can create an API workflow on the backend in your Bubble app. Then you can make this super agent can access the API workflow and make some think about your app. For example, you have a bulk create operations API. Then if you say your super agent, just go just take these CSV file data and created my own Bubble app, then it can be accessible in every time. You can access web search feature here. You can access a web crawler. It works like ChatGPT has. We have some utilities in here. In our case, I can open the send email feature, because I wanted to make sure our project details is sent into the customer here. Also, we have other tools. You can examine this. As an agent or chatbot, it doesn't matter. The important thing is system instruction or prompt, as I said. We are supporting 3 ChatGPT models, by the way, in Super Agent. In our case, the 4.0 is solid, I think. Any question, by the way? Okay, it's not. There is no question right now. If you have any question, please ask me, by the way. I might be going a bit quicker than I thought. It's a bit exciting session for me, so. Okay, let's give a prompt about it. We have a prompt enhancer here. So you are a project assistant who has knowledge about Kodsuz projects. If a user asks about something with that project, check your data and answer it. Let's generate it. Okay, right now our assistant behavior is ready. I'm just checking these kind of bugs in here because my data is current, not the 2023. Okay, it seems okay. And then how can I integrate it's my own bubble app. I'm just copying this one and just how in my bubble app, for example, I wanted to paste it in here. I'm just sketching a HTML and pasting it into my bubble app. Let's make sure it's not looking bad. Okay, not this one, sorry. Okay, it's worked. And the only thing you need to care the bounded domain section. If your AI tool is not bounded with your domain, in our case, my domain is code separator.sus.com, and if your domain is not in the list, your AI tool won't work. It's a security issue, by the way. So let's ask something. We didn't put the dynamic data right now. What I will, what's your purpose? Okay, it says his purpose. So let's give our dynamic data. So in our bubble database, let's check it. I have a projects in here and also project details. So I need to give a file into my AI agent. So how can I achieve that? I need to create a file about its description file. Type is going to be file. Okay, right now I have a description file. Then I need to add a custom parameter into end of my URL in here. In our case, what we talked about in knowledge part, we talked about the code interpreter and file search. It depends on your wish. In our case, I wanted to use code interpreter to understand files. So I'm adding a parameter which called CI files. And I'm equaling this file with the current page projects details description file. Let's add some file from app data. For example, in the Aicado, let me find it. Yeah, here. I'm just copying this description. So right now I need to create a text file, Aicado description text. It's enough. Okay, now I need to add this file as a plain text and save it. Let's check how it works. Right now I'm in the project helper section, but in the Notion Insider, not Aicado. Let's go into Aicado. Oh, I have an issue here. Let's make this fixed width and it's fillable. Let's make this min height. Okay, still won't be able to get it. Okay, now When I ask what is Aicado, I'm expecting to give an answer about how it works section in here. We need to make sure it's to fit it carefully. Okay, it's all good, all good. We can create for example select, or we can create for example the other project, but it will work like this. Also, you can able to put some list format files in the code interpreter or file search. You can, for example, in this use case, you have some other users, so dynamic users. Then the all users have their own data, their own file. Your assistant can behave a unique assistant for that user with this type of dynamic. How can I say that? Approach. So it's working like that. And I just created an AI agent interface about my project helper. So if I would use these kind of tools, I would create some other agent too. It has endless possibilities, and it's up to you in your on your own case, by the way. So I'm just okay. Can we the copy and paste one last time for embedding? Okay, we can. It's possible to aggregate a list of products matching the input info given by the user based on its needs and using the info of a product list database and just using constraints. I'm just rereading again for better understanding. Marco. Yes, you can. You can. For example, you can convert your product lists as a CSV file, and you can update that file with using some CSV converter plugins, or you can just store that product list as a text file. Then you can update that text file in every time you iterate that product list, and you can give that product list into agent. In that case, it will be able to talk with that data. It's okay. It's all valid. Tyler, for your questions, it's very simple. You need to just go to the embed part in your AI tool, and yes, just copying the code and pasting into your HTML element on your Bubble app. You can use it anything, anywhere you want. It's up to you, actually. I know. Like right now, our agents looks like a super chatbot, right? But we are working to improve that. Let me show you. We are not bounding the chatbot in the future updates. We are working on improve that part. Let me just show you again. So I talked about our most powerful features, but our what's next is more exciting. We are aiming to add more tools, and we are improving. We are aiming to improve our custom tool user experience. Right now, it's a bit looking techy, but our value proposition is not about it. We want to give you the ultimate tool with the less knowledge about technical background. And also, we are aiming to bring some integration with the automation tools. In that case, you will be able to use your super agent in your Zapier or Make automation flows. Last but not as a last update, we are aiming to bring an UI-less experience in Super Agent. What I'm talking about, you will not bound user interface in the next updates. We'll give you a button, and in that button, you only need to click that button. After that, we bring the value of super agent as a request in the next part. Also, as an Aicado, we are working the Ultimate AI tool plugin for Bubble. It's a bit hidden right now in the next phase. So actually, it's all for me right now, but I can talk about your projects and I can give you answers about your questions if you need some, if you have any questions for this session. Any questions about the capability of super agents? For example, I have this kind of app. Is this possible to build with super agent like that? Okay. Okay. Oh, nice question, Tyler. What type of problems can this solve when selling to clients? So I forgot to mention about that part. If you are working on agency or you have an bubble, you have an owner of bubble agency, you can still use Aicado. In Aicado, we don't have any subscription method. It's a pay as you go model. If you need to use it, you can buy credits, and also we are supporting you uh, as a white label, so you can put this interface as I showed you before into your own bubble app without not mentioning about Aicado. No one knows it's an Aicado. And as for your question, it solves tons of problems. For example, one of our cases, in our customers' cases, it brings Aicado into own dashboard, and he needs to talk with the custom data into for that for their clients. Uh, he has a client who has different kind of files, and all clients needs to talk with the different files. As I showed you before, Aicado Super Agent can achieve that, and he is right now working with Aicado because the bring Super Agent live and creating some APIs and creating an interface, creating a user experience is hard to achieve. We are aiming to give you with a cheap price and achieve your goals and make it easier to you, actually. Okay, any other questions? Can it interact with CRMs? Yeah, actually, it can be, it can. We are supporting webhook feature. If your CRM is supporting webhooks, it can interact. Also, in our custom tool section, for example, you are using a CRM who supports REST API, then you can connect your super agent with that REST API, and your CRM can get that data into super agent. Actually, it can achieve it. Marco's question: does Aicado provide video interpreter solution? Yeah, good question, Marco. Right now, in the Aicado, we have a tool like that, and it's called. Let me check it. Yeah, if you are talking about written summary only, or which part of the topic, you can use Aicados. Let me check it again. For text to speech with no, not text to speech. Speech to text with speech to text model in Aicado. You can upload a file into that speech text, and you can upload a YouTube video actually. Then you can get the summary, written summary. Can your product use data directly from database? Marco, as a quick example, it will work like that. I wanted to make it clear for your question. You can use Aicados. Let me check it again. Yeah, speech to text model. Then you can take the transcripts in that part. After that, you can give that transcripts into super agent, and you can train your super agent to provide a written summary. And after that, you can give the written. You can take the written summary from that super agent. It's flow working like that. I don't want to. I don't want to make it false for you. Can your product use data directly from the database, not from files? Yes, you can. Oh, okay, got it. Michelle is nice. It's won't work like that, but it might work if you use custom tool. So what you need to do? You need to create API workflow who calls your product data. Then you can take that product data in your custom tool. Your super agent can access that custom tool with checking your Bubble app database. It's a bit tricky, and the other road can like this. You can convert your product data in your own Bubble app into a text file with the help of a plugin. Then your AI tool super agent can be talk about that product data actually. Direct texts won't allow. You need to convert it as a text file. Or you can store a product data as a CSV file. It will work too. If you don't want to give the all data, for example, product description, product title, product image. If you don't want to give them separate, if you want to give them at once, then you can use the CSV format. There exists a plugin about it, a free plugin, CSV converter. I used in my some projects, and it worked very good. I think it was Eli's plugin. I think, if I don't remember. Any other questions? If you just play with the Aicado and struggles at some point, we still have missed points in our user experience. You can always reach me, by the way. I'm active in LinkedIn and Twitter, and I wanted to help you. And it's gonna be a pleasure for me if you reach me. So if you have any other questions, what's your Twitter handle? Yeah, I'll show you. You can here. You can always ask me a question about in Twitter. Also, not from just Aicado, about Bubble. I can answer it, and we can talk about it. I know. I love this community, by the way. It's a very good community. Okay. If you don't have any other questions, thank you for participating. Oh, nice. It's good for me. I'm not that popular, by the way. I was in the George's session before that. He's a very popular. He's talking about security, so it's a very popular topic in these days. Okay, thank you for participating. If you need some help and if you need some idea who wants to bring to life, but you don't know how to work to bring that idea into life, you can always reach me about Aicado, about Bubble. It doesn't matter. Thank you for participating and listening to me. Have a nice day and have a nice bubbling.